Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Anova Precision Oven. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this oven is worth your money. Anova Precision Oven Overview. Anova is famous for creating sous vide cookers, making sous vide cooking easier for many people. The company has created a great addition to its fantastic collection, the Precision Oven. It combines steam cooking capabilities with convection cooking and a low-temperature mode, all in a bid to help you achieve perfect results when doing sous vide cooking without sealing your food in bags. It has extra features that you'll find helpful too: steaming food, slow cooking, roasting, and baking. What we liked: it has accurate temperature control abilities for sous vide and steam cooking, offers several conventional heating options, includes a well-integrated temperature probe. The app is excellent for oven control and recipes. What we didn't like: its touch and app controls tend to be slightly clunky. It is quite bulky. Features: design. The oven is quite large, measuring 17.7 inches deep by 22.4 inches wide by 14.1 inches high. Due to this, it will offer you a generous capacity when cooking your meals, although it may not work if you have a small countertop or are struggling to find space for your appliances. Its appearance is sleek and attractive as it includes a touchscreen display and a tempered glass door, both built into the handle. You can set your modes using the touchscreen display, or control them using the handy Anova oven app. The oven's interior also has heating elements on its rear, top, and bottom that you can use as a combo, or individually. Smart functionality. You can use this oven as a smart oven in some instances because it connects to Google Assistant for basic commands. However, you cannot use this function for its heating elements, sous vide cooking, or making tweaks to its steaming options. It also has a more expansive Alexa option when you want to preheat it. However, its remote functionality shines when using the Anova Oven app or manually inputting your preferred settings. Who is the Anova Precision Oven best suited for? This oven will work for you if you're willing to get an oven that allows for experimentation. Its multiple functions can allow you to have fun in the kitchen. Verdict: should you get the Anova Precision Oven? Despite its bulky design and expensive price tag, this is not a bad choice. If you love experimenting with recipes in the kitchen, it will serve you well thanks to its multiple functionalities, which are great if you want to reduce the number of appliances in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.